commercial sales, that's us.
Yeah.
We're on the hunt for some epoxy. Hunting wabbits? You gonna get them with epoxy?
Yes.
What you need is a Jack or a Stanley. Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
What will it be? What will it be?
Hmm?
You can't spend too much time looking and comparing or you'll be me.
No, I'm not. Well, I'm not price comparing. I'm just looking for what I want.
I know. You gotta get the right thing though.
Yeah. Metal and concrete. See, that's not what we need.
No.
Marine. That's not what we need.
Are you putting it on glass?
Yes. And I can wait for my Kintsugi to come in, but I kind of want to go ahead and glass. There we go. I kind of want to go ahead and epoxy them together, and then gold foil over the epoxy.
What do you think? I can go ahead and put them in the window, and you can do it after that, or do you have to?
Yeah, I think I could probably go ahead and put them in the window.
Because I know you want to get those windows in.
But you are not going to be. They have to then be glazed, and I don't think you can do that.
Easy now.
Well, you've never done it, and
That,
it is not.
That doesn't mean I can't do it. So what? Wait a minute.
They still have to be glazed.
Yeah, you can't glaze them and then do the gold thing later?
Yes, I can definitely glaze them, do the gold thing later, but we're not, I'm like, I have to do this and then put them in and glaze them, and that takes a long time. Like, that's a several day process.
And you're leaving tomorrow.
I'm leaving tomorrow. And I still have some sanding to do.
It's not looking
and priming. It's not looking good. It's not looking good to have the windows ready. It's not looking good.
Okay.
I tried my hardest.
Okay.
It ended up being a much bigger project than I thought it was going to be.
Of course, it always is.
It always is.
Okay, goodbye.
Like a much bigger one.
Raining happening today. Maybe back on my surface, baby. Austin, are you getting any video today?
Perhaps not.
Oh, he's failing us.
I know.
But look how pretty this is. Still working on it. Are you putting a finish coat on, or
so
are you?
So this one is behind. This side's behind because I had to do a repair.
Oh.
So I got everything else done except for this side. So this is my clear coat, so I can do this on top of this, and if I have to take it off, I don't go all the way back down to the bottom.
Gotcha. One last side.
One last side, and then you'll have 3 front doors that we can at least see how they look on the house.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah, I'm excited.
There it is. Nailed in. So we'll put a screen behind that, but also we're going to put hinges on probably both of these, so they will swing out, and we'll use those for our attic access because we got nowhere good to put an attic access. So that's what we're using. So it'll be fine. It'll work. Lane doesn't sit around.
Don't sit around.
She orders. When she needs stuff, she orders stuff. What did you need her to get?
It was just a different kind of sizing.
Huh?
Yeah,
Oh, you were just
probably.
telling her what she should get,
what she
and
should get
and
for
she just
the-
got.
And I just got.
You just got.
So what are you doing with shards of glass now? You just like every shard of glass is.
Oh, they're precious. Every shard is sacred.
I have one little splinter that I had to wood repair, so let that dry overnight and sand that back down. Should be good. Wood glue is a miracle. Dark skies be blowing in. Batten down the hatches. Another gift, another gift. That's not a gift.
Not a gift. This is a box of glass samples from Artisan Glassworks in Baltimore, Maryland. So they are one of the last places that produces wavy glass in the United States. And I don't know if we'll use it in the back windows, but I wanted to look at it and get a price on it for our windows in our kitchen and our bedroom. But they have several different types of wavy glass with different types of inclusions and different types of appearance.
It's interesting. So are they just doing it the old way, or are they intentionally putting bubbles and stuff in it?
I don't know the answer to that question.
We need to take a tour of that factory.
Let's see. Here's the price sheet. So this has a square foot at $11 on the, like there's like, if you get a crate, it's $11. If you get a box, it's $14 a foot. If you get a piece, it's $16 a foot. That's not
It's not that much
different
out of what we're
than
getting.
what we're just paying for
Is it-
tempered glass.
They probably don't have it cut to size, so we'd have
Yeah,
to
no,
cut
they cut
it
it
to
to
size.
size. Well, I bet they would cut it to size. Wait, here we go. Glass cut to size at shop rates per quotation. So if we called them and said we need 72, cut it, 18 by 12 or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, that is not bad.
No, and again, this is a forever house, so maybe an investment we want to make.
Yeah.
There's the first one. Okay, I don't see any imperfections in that at all. That's not enough. Oh, this is a standard window glass. You can compare. Smart.
So you can compare it to standard
Yeah.
window glass.
So this
But it
is
looks like
type
it's thicker though,
O.
huh?
This just has some bubbles.
Yeah. Not wavy enough for you?
No. This is type D.
You need type Z, don't you?
I do. Type C. Okay.
I can't see it from
I
here.
can I'm starting to be able to see it in this one. Light C.
Here comes the rain.
Well, that's it. Okay.
All right. So C is our most bubbly. Huh.
I don't see anything in that one at all.
As far as you can tell, they sent all standard glass.
Now this one I see a couple bubbles and some waves.
Yeah.
This old style C.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's like Victorian old.
Well, yeah, I didn't think we were gonna get it.
All right, we need way more wavy. It's not worth it if it's not super wavy. Also feels like those are like tempered.
Oh, they're definitely tempered. They're new glass.
Yeah. Maybe they can't get bubbles in them when they're tempered.
Well, I thought they rolled them out like they used to roll it. Okay, this one, okay.
Maybe you need something
This
different
one I can
background.
Really see, okay, this one, type O. I can really see the bubbles.
Like
and
my
the
blood type.
imperfections. Yeah.
Okay.
Looking at it this way, I can really see.
So you like O.
Looks like it, yeah.
I can see a little bit from here.
Woo! Hey!
Yeah, the windows are blowing in. shut all these shutters. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.
Like a glove.
You say.
You say.
You say. Where are we going?
We're going to meet friends for dinner.
We're going to meet our friends Jamie, who we love, Derek, who we love, Austin, who we love, Molly, who we love. We can't wait. We can't wait. So, meeting friends. Austin, Derek, and Jamie are all from out of town and 3 different states. Austin from Florida, Jamie from Arkansas, Derek from Alabama, and Molly from Natchez.
All meeting in Natchez.
All meeting in Natchez, Mississippi. We're going to have dinner at the camp, maybe some dessert, and some good fellowship.
Here,
We have chocolate.
got some of
and
our
milk.
crew. Derek,
Toppings
Austin,
also.
Molly,
Just the
and
chocolate milk
Jamie.
shake.
At Ordo's getting ice cream.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hey! Look at that.
Antique shop. I'm at work.
Look at you at work.
From Australia. Hey, buddy.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know, and you're all there having such a great time. What am I doing?
We are.
We're in Natchez, darling.
We're having ice cream
Yes.
and missing
And
you.
you're not here.
These cars got like these 4 girls in the car. They're up to no good.
That's funny.
Oh my gosh, I love
And then
it.
we're right in the middle of the village. There's the church over there. And then our gorgeous courthouse is just past the trees. So it's like we're right in the heart of the village.
The village.
So
That's
it's fabulous.
amazing. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, bye.
Bye.